So I'm Craig Burr, I'm the Quarry Ops Support Manager for Boral Southern Region Metro Quarries. We have 6 quarries to look after. There's 5 hard rock quarries and 1 sand plant, and I provide technical and on-site support to the quarry managers on each site. A site like Deer Park, we put through about 4 million tonne per annum planned for the year. Monitoring those stockpiles and material movements can be difficult. Often we blend 2 products together, so keeping track of that material movement can get complex. The material can vary in its density depending on what part of the pit it came out of, how fine or coarse the product was producing, so that created variability in the stockpiles, and being able to quickly capture any changes like that limited the accuracy in our algorithm. We'd have the fixed wing survey done, and that would vary from what we had in our production spreadsheets recording our production details, so we would see a variation in there. The other time that we noticed is if we stocked out, we actually sold all of the product on the ground, but our data tracking indicated that there was material still there. Since we've started using Propeller, we find that the discrepancy between on-the-ground stocks and stockpiles in our database has reduced drastically. The managers on site have better control over what is on the ground, and we can quickly do a survey and validate through Propeller what stocks are actually there against the database. Historically, it was just basically done on a 6-month aerial survey. The managers would drive around and have a look at the stockpile visually, have an estimate and adjust their database according to that. With Propeller, we're able to actually get accurate volumes, convert through density and compare with the tonnages on the books. So we're able to check our stockpiles accurately monthly if needed. We use the PDF reports in Propeller for stockpile validation. We have a number of internal customers which we have high turnover stocks on, and to get a up-to-date current survey, we'll fly the stockpile, produce the report, and then provide that report as evidence of the volume contained in that stockpile to the third party. One of the good features of Propeller is the ability to adjust the baseline survey for the stockpile. So most sites are multi-bench. It's never a flat surface apart from at Deer Park, so the ability to check stockpiles that have been tipped over the edge of a face or on a side of a hill means you can get a more accurate survey result. The managers use Propeller a lot now in terms of having a visual graphic, of being able to communicate what's happening on site. They can quickly jump on Propeller, get a snapshot of the area that they want to work in, and communicate that for traffic management plans, extraction, proposed extraction areas, road diversions. I've recommended Propeller to a number of colleagues in the industry. The accuracy of it's been really good. We've done comparative surveys against Propeller surveys, and we've come up with the same numbers. So for the simplicity of being able to go out, fly the area you want, typically a 24-hour data turnaround online. You can get volumes, you can get aerial photos, everything that you need. The sharing of Propeller is great. The online platform means we can share with almost anyone that we want to. It's very easy to use. Typically it takes about half an hour sitting with the person and quickly run through the platform, which enables them to get the basics out of it. Most of our managers have picked it up within a couple of days of utilising Propeller. It's one of the main reasons I recommend Propeller.